I'm here to tell you today about the ArcGIS GeoTrigger service. This is a location-based service for off-the-shelf consumer devices like iPhones and Androids. This allows you to have all-day location services, as well as location-based messages on your phones without significant battery drain. If you're like me, you've probably had an app or two on your phone that's drained your battery by the end of the day. And it hasn't been very pleasant. We use our phones all the time, and it doesn't make sense that they would run out of batteries before we're done using them. The whole point of this is that data that's formerly stored on the web needs to actually be with you where you are. You're not necessarily the type of person that sits around on a computer all day, and when you're outside, you need to have that data attached to your location just in time for what you need to do. Whether it's getting notified about an emergency situation that's happening nearby you, or something that you need to fix, or getting an alert from your team that something needs to happen. A lot of these things happen when you're out and about and when you're on the go. That's why we try to create an example of what's called calm technology. It's there when you need it, not when you don't. You're not sitting down and searching for information, you're actually getting that information delivered to you when you actually need it. So how does this work? First, you can create a kind of invisible button. You can create either one of these or many of these at a time. You can take a data set of location-based information and throw it onto a map, and we call these GeoTrigger zones. Basically what you do is have a geo-enabled app, and when your device or your user's device gets within this GeoTrigger zone, it actually gives that location-based piece of content to them and can also notify you. This means that anywhere in the world becomes a real hyperlink, a location-based hyperlink that can be anywhere when you're outside. So we've created a series of algorithms that allow the device to know when it's near content and to know when it's away from content.